What's up, everybody? Back at it again here in Burlington, New Jersey. We had a good time on this job. We had a lot of challenges, actually. Not really challenges with the build so much, but some with the township. They are in a historical district, so they're very strict about colors and what kind of materials you're using. And we thought we had approval on something, and then in the 11th hour, on one of the 5th days of the job, we had somebody come up and basically tell us that our approved colors were not approved. So we basically went back to the drawing board, and we were able to pull something together with the original design in mind, and we went with a totally different color design. We did keep the same field boards, which is the Azek slate gray, but we basically went polar opposites. We had originally intended on using a white vinyl railing on this job, but being that we were told we couldn't use white vinyl, and if you know this neighborhood and the surrounding neighborhood, there's a lot of white vinyl up. So I don't know what the problem was or who was trying to make a problem, but we won't be stopped. And when someone pays us to do a job, we're gonna do it the way it's supposed to be done. So we went polar opposite, and we ended up going with a black railing. So if you look at these pictures and this footage, it really came out awesome. It's pretty much a classic design with a composite, but we really wanted to use the drastic color difference to kind of pop the black on this one. And this deck would have looked totally different with white. The black turned out awesome. The homeowners love it. They're actually going to be doing a lot more implementation of the black now that we have that going on. And we're just really happy with the way it turned out. And like I said, I talked about this in my Instagram video, that we had lost a lot of footage on this job, partially because we got a new laptop, and part of the other thing was we had originally only planned on replacing the deck boards on this job. And when we got down to the original frame and all of the 2x10s that had previously been there, they were all rotted out. So we couldn't salvage anything but the ledger board against the house. But it actually worked out in the long run, and we were able to basically build a very solid deck. We went overkill on all of our joists. We just really made sure this thing went above and beyond, so that it's going to be here for a very long time. We flash taped everything. We made sure that everything was done with the moisture damage aspect in mind. We don't want that to happen again. We want this thing to be standing for a very long time, and we're really happy with the way it turned out. I hope you guys liked the video. It's going to be a short one this time, but we have another deck coming up in about 2 weeks, and we'll get to use a lot more different color aspects on that one too. But I just love the way this turned out. It was totally not planned, but it worked out in the long run, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is Colonial Concepts and Design. This is Michael signing out.